For sure. Now, tell us a little bit about OL, what you guys are all about and the story behind it.
OL was born out of a group of or industrious, I should say, logistics people. We came together starting back in 2012, and really we only had a couple offices back then. We were an intrepid group of five. And over the last decade, so to speak, we've grown from those five to having what at one point was 15 offices before COVID, and then we became 200 offices when we all moved home and were working from home, and we've somewhat stayed in that structure. And along the way, we added some operations in Dubai, in the UK, and also out in the Philippines. Today, we are a fairly balanced company. We do about half our business is outbound out of the United States, and the other half is inbound. And then on top of that, we do business in and out of UK, in and out of Dubai, and also with our operation in the Philippines. Rough.
Gotcha. And who's a typical customer, would you say, Alan?
We do business with a lot of middle-tier organizations, whether it's other logistics providers who take advantage of our sort of global scale and scope. So we have a lot of customers there. And then what we term our beneficial cargo owners come to us, and both, again, on the import and export side, because we provide, as I like to say, creative solutions that help their individual needs and their individual supply chain.